And welcome back. Okay, so the original side and ceiling carpet cleaned up alright with a good wash and vacuum, but because the fourth floor has changed, new cutouts, slightly different, and the original floor is so stained and dirty, we've chopped the original carpet floor out and put a new piece in, but we were unable to match the colour, so we decided just to go with a complete contrast in grey. First look with the new first look with the old bulkhead in place, cleaned with acetone, which seems to have taken all the yellowness out of it. And yes, the steel through bolts on the transom shield are heavily corroded, so they'll have to be removed and replaced in stainless steel. It seems that a couple of that bolt and another one has already been replaced with stainless steel, so not that one. That one's done. Now it's been wire brushed up, you can see the extent of the corrosion. It's just about ready to go. And with a little bit of help from the oxyacetylene torch, we're able to free the bolt and extract. Already replaced in stainless steel. Lovely. That's one. Well, now the transom has been repaired, test fitted, all the holes drilled, sealed, glued, putting some top coat on, and we're going to be able to put it back together. Before we can fit the swim platform, we have to fiberglass and seal the wood that we've put in to replace the rotten wood that was falling to bits. Alright, we'll replace the wood, and now we've had some more problems. As you can see, this is soft. These marked out sections, the wood sandwiched between the fiberglass has disintegrated or turned to mush, so I have to flip this over, cut it out, and put some more wood in there. Put a layer of fiberglass down. Over here, glue, and we're going to glue that wood on top of that, and all the wood gets glued and bogged and screeded out, and then sanded smooth, and then we fiberglass and put the peel ply over it so there's the right amount of resin. Can do it.
Right.
Because so much of it has been modified now, we need to test fit again and make sure everything lines up, the holes are correct, and there's no huge gaps anywhere. Once the repairs and filling has been done, it's time to get some primer on, some epoxy 2K primer, and we can block it out, make it real smooth, and get some top coat on. And the top coat is sprayed indoors to avoid getting any dust in it, and then baked with the infrared light. Unfortunately, when we took the vinyl off the sides, they were damaged. The gel coat above the belting line is trashed. It's terrible. It's just starting to haze up on the black because it's obviously getting so hot that it's trying to split. The sides aren't too bad, but the edges and the top have got some pretty bad cracking happening in the gel coat. Ideally, you'd grind all the gel coat off, epoxy it, and then fair the whole boat up, but that's not going to happen. So I'm going to use a diamond grinder wheel and cut out in the shape of a V all the little cracks, and then fill it with an epoxy filler, let it harden up for a week or two, and then fair it out and get some primer on it, and it should be good.